I'm happy to share with you today's roasted veggie bowl. So today I quick roasted the veggies. I chose a few veggies from our local farmers, chopped them up in different shapes and sizes, put them in a pan, drizzled on a little bit of olive oil and sea salt. Today I actually included some parsley, and I let that cook for about 25-30 minutes, flipping, moving them around about halfway in between at 425 degrees. So that's it. And today, what I roasted from our local farmers were some sweet potatoes, some beans, broccoli, carrots, and I actually had some elephant garlic just to add another little bit of flavor. And to elevate the plating a little bit, I chose a few extras. I always like to do that. Today we have our capers, walnuts, some Kalamata olives, and some previously dehydrated tomatoes, along with some dill. So what I invite you to do is go to your farmer's market, choose a few of your favorite veggies, roast them, plate them, and enjoy. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I'm actually the creator of the new plant-based food art movement. I invite you all to have fun shopping at your local farmers and enjoy cooking. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. The local Arizona veggies have been roasted using the quick method. So we basically drizzled some olive oil and sea salt on the veggies along with some parsley. And today I have sweet potatoes along with green beans, carrots, and broccoli. And one of the really easy ways to elevate that dish, a roasted veggie dish, is to add some extras. So today we have some capers, dehydrated tomatoes, Kalamata olives, walnuts, and some beautiful fresh dill. So I'm going to plate the veggies along with those extras right into the yum bowl. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. Happy cooking, everybody. I'm happy to share this beautiful roasted veggie bowl with the sweet potatoes, beans, carrots, broccoli from our local Arizona farmers, along with the dill and the parsley. And I've added on capers, dehydrated tomatoes, walnuts, and Kalamata olives. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. Happy cooking, everybody.